Hello everybody, we are back at it with Ratchet and Clank.
More Ratchet and Clank.
More RNC. What I want to call it, RAC.
RAC.
RAC. So last time, I do remember we're making our way to Metropolis?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making our way to Metropolis to find...
Well...
What's his name?
Quark.
That was a bad apple.
Yep. I brought a tiny container of sliced apples up here for us, and Taryn got a bad one.
Oh yeah, that's right. Jump is X. Ooh, this is a shop. This is a shop.
I got some great parts.
Ooh, a blaster! Gimme. Yeah.
There's her ammo at the top.
That's hot.
I think every time you buy a gun, it starts you with half ammo.
Okay, so R1, L1 do the same. R1, R2, and L1, L2 do the same thing.
I think that's a dummy so that you can use the new gun. That's their intended purpose.
Welcome to the
Oh,
Captain
no.
Quark
It's this.
Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck.
Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Alright, do I have to go this way or do I go back and go this way? Does not matter.
Actually, I think to do this, it just gives you an item or like extra bolts or something. I can't remember what.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was weird.
Is that happening? I think it's happening on the gameplay too.
Yeah.
I think it's the, this. I'm gonna see if we can fix it. Yeah, that's definitely what it is. Hopefully that helps. That looks a lot better already.
Yeah, it does. Wow.
I apologize. I...
Quickly center the camera. Just tap the L1 button.
Okay. What is this lock-on thing?
Your gun?
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, so when it's green, if I shoot... Oh, it just hits them! And if I don't, if I'm not locked on, then it doesn't. It just goes in a straight line.
Yep.
Ow. I'm just gonna do this. Get fucked.
It's easier.
Much. Don't get me wrong, that gun's pretty dope. I'm excited to not have double, like, to have echo though.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Like, I feel bad because we didn't realize there was an echo until we actually looked at the footage. The last time that we recorded, which was last week. So now we figured it out this time to make it so I was able to record, we're able to record, I should say, the audio tracks on two different audio tracks so we can keep them separated. Okay, do I have to go this way now? Or is there another path I can take? Because we came from this way. If we go this way, it's the course, and then we kind of went everywhere already the other way.
Did you?
Yeah, but I don't want to do the course yet. Oh, I'm just dumb. Don't mind me. Oh yeah? You think you're gonna run? I keep feeling like... Oh, I don't know what I just clicked. Okay. Exit. Oh, there we go.
So what you just did was to play the info bot for the info bot that you got for the planet.
I died because I didn't see the other fucking rocket. It's not eating, it keeps eating my inputs too.
Hmm.
It's really annoying.
I wonder if it's because of
The controller.
if it's the controller, if it's the PlayStation itself, or if it's
The game.
the game, or from the actual like audio video thing.
We'll find out. I mean, I'm okay. What is this? What is this? Ow! I don't like that, dude. Okay, got it. Got it. I'm glad that I figured out that the L1 thing is the camera, because that's going to be very useful for later. Oh my goodness. Here.
It's a memo.
Okay.
Let's start really quick. Go to the options, I think. Try the help desk. Weird. 'Cause I thought I would be able to tell you if there's a lock on button. 'Cause I can't remember if there is or not.
I'm so good. I'm so good. What are you? No, I see you. No, I don't. I want to know what you are.
He drops landmines.
I noticed. That's what I ran over on accident. I knew that. There's also this over here. I won't die in 2 hits. Give me these. This way. Ow. Got this, dude. I should have gotten hit like 7 times.
That's the man we saw in the info bot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd. I like him.
So,
Me too.
now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
I love Al.
We saw your info bot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
He's in a
Your
couple of the
logic
other
is
games.
commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP-18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
I'm
Upgrade.
assuming that's like a
Since he's
helicopter
a
type thing.
766,
That's a
I can
flying
have the little
thing.
guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Absolutely
Hey,
worth it.
won't hurt a bit.
Every time he gives you a chance for an upgrade.
Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
You the man, Clank. Yeah.
So as you can see, it's a glide kind of thing.
Yeah.
I believe if you
using the Helipack's
Yeah, you
boost
can
jump
jump
feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
Oh.
Double jump and a half, basically.
You'll need your new Helipack stretch jump feature to cross this gap. While you're running, crouch using the R1 button and then jump.
Yeah.
This is gonna get really difficult for me to remember all this, I think.
It gets easy once you play around with it.
Feature of your new Helipack. Jump, and then press and hold the X button in midair to glide.
Oh, that's so slow.
I don't know if it's this one or the next game, but you eventually get rockets instead. It's a little bit faster.
No!
Dang.
Really? I thought he was gonna start running away from me. So I was like, whatever. It's whatever. We do the runny thingy. Runny.
There's boxes to your left too.
Cool. Going this way first. Because I'm getting my revenge, dude. Coming for ya. I am gliding my happy ass over to you. Don't trip, potato chip. Don't deploy. Fuck you. Go away. I don't even care that I'm not getting any of those. Oh, I got them all.
If enemies like fall off ledges or die in a place where you won't be able to get any of the loot or ammo, it automatically comes to you.
Good. Rude. Oh, I have full ammo then. Okay. I feel better now.
For a second there, I thought that said that you had 23,000 bolts. I was like, damn. Big money.
Sup, pups? Oh, it's a landmine dude. What's this?
Oh, it spawns the
It
dogs.
spawns them. Oh, I thought it was something I was going to be able to use. That's rude. Thanks, game. I appreciate not being able to use that stuff. Screw you. You're not able to drop any more landmines, man.
Destroy.
Boxes. Give me.
Right. Like I said, the more you play it, the easier the controls get. They seem a little awkward at first, but
Okay. Am I on a train?
mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
I didn't realize it was gonna start moving either.
I just wanted the box!
Yeah.
Right, well I guess I'm on the train now. Really? I didn't even see that. Get fucked. Really?
Rip. Well, now you know where that.
Can I skip scene? No, I'm not allowed to skip scenes, dude. I just have to watch this entire little cutscene again. That's annoying. I mean, at least there's like no like game over.
Mm-hmm.
You just die in the beginning. Oh. Ooh. Ah. I
can't wait for you to see how...
think Taryn found her new favorite gun, guys.
Oh, that's not even... It's probably, like, the most basic gun in this game.
It's so cute, though. It's just like a machine gun. It's like... do.
They only get more absurd from here.
Who's this?
Oh, did you pick up the info bot that was floating back there?
I'm trying to kill this man. Hold on. I will go get everything else in a moment. I just wanted to kill him because he drops mines and I don't want to deal with mines. Oh, the dude that was flying around?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he ran. He flew away. So
so I guess that was him over there. I think there was a secret room behind you.
There he is, he.
Hmm.
Hi, buds. What's up?
Info bot.
Greetings. Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything
His voice actors in a lot of stuff.
I'm counting on you.
Hmm?
And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, our lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Beat the info bot out of him. Back to the beginning. And then a little shortcut to go back up to where you were if you wanted to backtrack for any reason.
And do I just...
Or you could go do the fitness course. Because remember, you still need the grappling hook thing for the course on the other planet. What if you wanted to leave just so you can go to another planet? You can do that too.
Is this the way to the fitness course, or is it the other way?
The other way.
So, do I just go try to get to that island?
Yeah, the last one.
Not have to worry about anything? Oh, no, jump. Jump. Damn it. I want to go the other way.
Or you can do the super jump by holding R1 and then pressing X. It's a Mario wall jump kind of thing.
Oh! That's okay. Okay then.
You see those later in the game. Sneaky way of being like, this is how you play the game. Without telling you this is how you play the game.
I thought that car was like... What's this? Whee!
Gah. The plan.
I could definitely speedrun this game if it didn't, like, eat my inputs half the time. No! Okay, no! Okay, I take that back. I can't speedrun this game. I feel like I could.
It's got pretty easy mechanics? The hell? What am I trying to say? It's got easy controls. Like, they're simple to use and they work.
I think Hangman speed runs this game.
Moving walls
Oh, yeah.
also functions jump slots. jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until
These?
you reach the top.
This one?
This one and the one right here. There's two sliding.
Okay, okay, I get it, I get it.
Nice.
Gosh, this is so high up. I am actually having somewhat anxiety from this.
And the other games really build on like this.
I saw that coming, dude.
It's another wall jump thing. Like in Ratchet and Clank Deadlocked, there's a thing called Tower of Power that I really love doing. It's essentially climbing a tower like this with different platforming elements and enemies you gotta fight. And
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you actually kidding me right now?
that's unfortunate.
At least I didn't get all the way dropped to the bottom, I guess.
Mm-hmm. I kinda wish they made the platforms move a little bit faster. Cause it like forcibly slows you down.
2, 3, 4. Jump up. Move this way. Okay. And then I do this.
There's a lady from the pause menu.
Listen up, you loud balls. That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen.
Bro, I know I'm bad at the game. Thank you.
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it was weak. Weak. Then I was competing. I would devour courses.
Congratulations, look at you.
That's not all.
This
Thank you,
road.
Ratchet.
Drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
He wants to give me a prize for falling off.
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can stay to and fro like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But
Make
the prize
me
is ours,
pay.
Captain. That's not fair.
Too bad, life's not fair.
She's not wrong.
To pay for it. Quite literally.
I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Deuces. Don't worry, looking at you made me sick too.
Gadgetron slingshot. Use it
Got
on
'em.
standard versatiles like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to aim.
Oh, so that's what that is.
Yeah, it's slow. Those little guys.
I have to keep holding it? I do. Okay. I was like, why isn't it working? I'm not used to this. Oh yeah! That's what the... Okay, I'm okay with this now. It's pretty dope. I'm so glad I don't actually have to hold on to the X button for that too. Is this a new area? No, this is the same area. Now we can leave. Is there something else to do here? I think. For now.
Hi there, fuzzball.
Yeah, I think we're good now. I think we're good now.
Destroyed. Yep, now you can go back to the other planet and finish that little area with your grappling hook.
Oh, we can also go to Adora. Let's go back to Aridia. Because that's the planet that we use the grappling hook at.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can end the episode and then we can go to the new one.
Mm-hmm.
The new planet. Oh yeah, this is the planet that I died like 4 times at. Fuck this planet. I don't want to be here anymore. I quit. Throwing the controller on the ground. Alright, is it behind me?
I think if you take that, it'll get you there faster.
But you really just he ran around in a circle.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I love Ratchet. He's actually so cute. He's too confident for his own damn good, though.
If you want to impress this agent, you'll have to win a hoverboard race.
Is that what I have to do?
The nearest
Is
hoverboard
that where I
race
have
is
to
in
go?
Blackwater City on planet Wilgon.
Or I have to go over. I have to go over here.
It's down there.
Why do I hear a clock? Okay. I'll just go down here then. Was it down here? I was still holding X for like the longest time, but it didn't like make me do it. Where is it?
I think it's the area just before this one. You're right.
Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah, I think it's
It's okay, I lost a hit. This one?
Yeah, I think it's up there.
Maybe? We'll find, I mean, we'll find out. How does that? You die?
Mm-hmm.
Get hit. I was about to say, man. It's this way?
I think it's that way. Yeah, there you go. It's in front of you.
Cool.
Yeah, that's another slingshot thing in front of you.
Yeah.
Little bar there.
Whatcha? Okay, cool. I like this thing. I think we found my actual new favorite item. Oh, I don't get hit. Nice. I love grappling hooks. Oh, dude, I didn't know I could keep going.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty dope.
I'm not sure if it does it in this one, but I know for a fact it does it in the other games. But there might be a certain part where it's like you have to grapple, 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 and you can't touch the floor because there's no floor.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hope that they have that because I love doing shit like that. I love the don't touch the ground little games. They're great. Just making sure I hit the right button because I really don't feel like falling into an abyss.
Yeah, because if you fall, you will die. So I'm pretty sure it's all good down there.
I don't need that. This is worth. Oh, help. Oh. Oh. I know. Okay.
Sometimes if you have scenarios like that where there's multiple points that you can swing onto, sometimes the game will accidentally make you go the wrong way.
What's this? Yes? What is it? The Trespasser.
Welcome to your hacking minigame.
I don't want to do hacking.
It's actually kind of fun. I like them.
Lasers
Take it
are
in.
mounted on each ring of the Invincible lock. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must
Whoa!
be green before the Invincible lock will open.
Yeah. So you're trying to light these.
My brain
these
just
up.
said no. Hold on. Okay, so that one goes there.
Use the
That
left
can go.
analyzer to control the trespasser. Push up and down to select which rings
Okay.
to open. Push left and right to rotate the ring.
Yeah, we definitely need to stop this episode.
Oh yeah. Wow. I didn't even realize.
It's okay. This probably won't take too long. It's okay. You can have one long Wind Waker episode. I can have one long Ratchet and Clank episode. It's
True.
fine.
True.
I go this way.
Plus, you're trying out your new toys.
I like my new toys already.
That above you is to get you back.
Oh, I know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can just leave here.
Yeah. Yeah. You got the item. You can book it to the next planet.
Cool. That's what we're gonna do then. Let's go ahead. Let's dip. Go this way. Oh, oh god. Oh god, no. No. I do not want to fight you.
You do still have the trespasser.
I know.
If you try to attack.
No worries. I do. Got it. No. No. I said no. Bro, I don't even care. Am I even going there? Okay, yeah, I am. This is where my ship is. My ship's right here. Alright, everybody. We actually did it. We got the...
I got the thing.
We got the thing. I don't even remember what it's called.
Trespasser. Slingshot. You got both of them.
Yeah, the slingshot. That's what we got. We got the slingshot. That's what we got.
Oh, the swing shot.
Oh, it's the swing shot. Okay, so before we do anything, I'm just going to save, and then we'll go ahead and we'll jump right into the next episode. We made it through Metropolis. Metropolis. I can't pronounce things. Don't ask me ever to pronounce anything for you, because I will suck at it. But we made it through Metropolis. Hey, I said it right. And now we're going to be making our way to the next planet, which is Eudora.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go ahead and end it here. We made it through Metropolis. We went back to Aridia just to go ahead and get the Trespasser, which is going to be really fun to use, I think, maybe. I don't know. It looked a little complicated at first, and then it was just like, oh, this is easy. So, yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. But we're going to see you guys in the next episode. Have a wonderful day or night. And we will see you guys next time.
See you in the next one, guys.